Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the latest tech tips, tricks, and tutorials. If you've ever accidentally deleted an Instagram account and thought it was gone forever, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to show you how to recover those deleted chats. So let's jump in and get those messages back. Firstly, you need to open your Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account where the chats were deleted. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right to go to your profile page. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Now, after selecting your activity, scroll down and tap on Download Your Information. Now, you can tap on Download or Transfer Information. Once you've requested a download, Instagram will start compiling your data. It can take up to 48 hours for them to send you the link, so be patient. After you receive the email from Instagram, open it and click on the link to download the data. Their file will be in a GIF format. Now in this way you can download your deleted message.